Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make veggie soup in Genshin Impact. This delightful dish is a fantastic way to restore your character's health during their adventures across Teyvat. It's a straightforward recipe, perfect for new and experienced travelers alike. We'll cover everything from gathering the necessary ingredients to cooking it up, ensuring you can easily prepare this helpful meal whenever you need it. Let's get started on crafting this essential recovery item. To prepare veggie soup, you'll need 3 key ingredients: 1 cabbage, 1 carrot, and 1 mint. Cabbages are often found in the wild, especially near settlements, or can be bought from general stores. Carrots are also quite common, growing in many outdoor areas. Mint is perhaps the easiest to find, as it sprouts almost everywhere across the vast world of Teyvat. Gathering these items is the first step to a delicious and healing meal. Once you have all your ingredients, head to any cooking pot found throughout Teyvat. These are marked on your map with a small pot icon. Interact with the pot, and the cooking menu will appear. Navigate to the veggie soup recipe, which should be available if you've learned it or have the ingredients. Confirm your selection, and with a few simple clicks, your character will prepare this nourishing dish, ready for consumption. After cooking, your veggie soup is ready to use. This dish restores 8% of a character's max HP, plus an additional 150 HP. It's particularly helpful during the early stages of your journey when resources might be scarce. Remember to cook several portions at once if you have extra ingredients, as it's always wise to have healing items on hand. Enjoy the simple yet effective benefits of this wholesome soup.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.